Life in and around the termite mound. What creatures benefit from having these highly social insects around, with their distinctive mounds that are built out of soil? The termites that build the mounds shown on the cover photo are snouted harvester termites. Their highly organized colony has 4 different forms or castes. First, the primary reproductives, which are the kings and queens. Then the secondary reproductives, and then the soldiers, and lastly the workers. The aardvark eats mainly ants and termites. It rips into the termite mound with its massive claws on its front feet, and its long sticky tongue probes for the termites, their larvae and eggs. This termite mound, or termitaria as it is called, was excavated by an aardvark. And a familiar chat made a very cozy nest deep inside. It is safe from the elements and has sheep's wool inside. I was very privileged to find a mangrove kingfisher in an arboreal termite nest in the Catadas of central Mozambique. This mangrove kingfisher is excavating its nest in this termite mound. Termite mounds are used as an elevated lookout post as well by this Karoo koran, the Hardida ibis, and this black-headed heron. The ant-eating chat eats ants and termites, so this is a favorite place to find food after the aardvark has opened the structure. Also a great high place to stand and survey the surrounding area. Birds like the clapperlarks use the top of the termite mound as a place to sing and display in spring. This eastern clapperlark takes off from a tree, does its aerial display, and lands on a termite mound. I recently found this large grey mongoose sitting on top of a mound and surveying the scenery. Northern black korans are well known for standing on top of a termite mound and calling over the vast plains. The call carries far from this elevated perch. When conditions are just right, like after rain, the reproductives take to the air and fly a distance before landing and detaching their wings and burrowing underground to start a new colony. Flying termite alates are a tasty snack for all birds. The aerial feeding birds like the swallows and swifts feast on them in the air, as do many other birds. These birds in my garden were hawking termite alates after a heavy shower of rain in summer. This alate is very vulnerable because it has just landed and it has to detach its wings very quickly. And this big ant has found a termite and is dragging it to its nest. And this fork-tailed drongo is feasting on a winged termite, as well as this pin-tailed wider. As you can see from this video, termites and their big mounds are very valuable in the chain of the ecosystem.